Hey guys, welcome to Pavitram Realty Prop Law. I'm Realty Guru Dr. Jitendra Yadav. Please do subscribe us to get the latest update on real estate in India and abroad and to get the review about the society, about the locality, about the builder, new launches, new product. We'll keep you updated. Thank you.
Southern Peripheral Road is entering a new phase of growth. At the heart of it is SGSPR Estate, a next generation mixed use development built for today's lifestyle. This isn't just another project, it's a complete ecosystem with everything planned within the estate itself. From smart homes to co-working zones, from wellness centers to retail plazas, SGSPR Estate brings living, working, fitness, and daily convenience into one connected space. There are dedicated green areas, yoga decks, and rooftop lounges designed for quiet, everyday balance. Shops, essential services, and cafes are just a short walk away, making the entire community more independent and self-sufficient. The homes come with smart features, motion sensors, climate control, and layouts that support modern routines. Planned by leading international consultants, the project brings global standards in design, infrastructure, and livability. This is where life works better, not just inside the home, but all around it. SGSPR Estate. Smart luxury, seamless living. At Signature Global, every project begins with a foresight, and this one rises exactly where the future is taking shape. SPR. We are building in the heart of Gurugram's next big leap, right at the center of the transformation. Just steps away from the proposed elevated corridor with metro and bullet train access in the next sector, seamlessly connecting you to major hubs across the city. A short drive takes you to the upcoming Jungle Safari, a landmark set to redefine leisure and ecotourism in the region. And there's more. With plans for air taxis and the upcoming Airbus corridor, this location isn't just connected, it's future ready. Surrounded by infrastructural developments and breakthroughs, this is where lifestyle meets liftoff. Thoughtfully designed with immersive greens, biophilic elements, and an urban ecosystem that supports modern life, all from a brand trusted for timely delivery and consistent quality excellence. Because at Signature Global, we don't just follow progress, we build where it begins. Visit our site office or contact your relationship manager for more details about the project.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट नई बात बता रहा हूँ जो मैंने अभी तय की है कि मैं अब हवा में चलने वाली बस अभी 360 रोपवे, केबल कार, फेनिकुलर रेलवे कर रहा हूँ। अभी धौलाकोट मानेसर हवाई में चलने वाली बस कर रहा हूँ। अभी मैंने नागपुर में हमने टेंडर निकाला है पायलट प्रोजेक्ट का। 135 सीटर 18 मीटर की बस है और फ्लैश चार्जिंग है। वो बस आएगी और 20 सेकंड में चार्ज होगी और वो 40 किलोमीटर चलेगी। और वो बस में मस्त लग्जरी बस है, एयर कंडीशनिंग उसमें बस होस्टेज जैसी, एयर होस्टेज जैसी बस होस्टेज होगी। उसमें चाय पानी नाश्ता मिलेगा।
Your investment in Gurugram's most promising growth corridor. Let's cut to the noise. You're not just buying a home, you're investing in data-backed growth. Welcome to SG SPR Estate, set in Gurugram's most undervalued, high-potential corridor, SPR. JLL, Knight Frank, Anarok all point to one thing: 20 to 30% price appreciation on this corridor in 5 years. Why? Because the fundamentals are stacking up fast. Metro expansion, MNC footprint, infrastructure spend climbing by the month. That's not a narrative. That's the market speaking. And rental demand already on the rise. From expats, executives, even global co-working brands. This is the new frontier for NRIs who want assets that work while they sleep. HNIs who want to de-risk with high yield returns. Professionals making their portfolio debut count. Inventory is limited and prices are poised to climb. This is what early looks like. SG SPR Estate. The growth corridor isn't waiting. Neither should you.